Hello, ESL 132 students. This is the week of March 30th, and this is your first very short video. I'll do another one on Wednesday. We're doing Chapter 7. I asked you a very strange question. I know that was a strange question. Would you eat a cricket? That actually went along with our reading that was on page 145, and that is parts of things that are edible. So edible, let's make a word, okay? Let's do this, eat, and let's do able, so something you can eat. So we're going to break this down a little bit and put these together. So we're going to do this, but then for some reason this changes to a D sound, and then this one will change to an I. So we have the adjective edible, something that you can eat. So I know it's a terrible picture, it's really disgusting. That's the only time I'll show it to you. But in the reading that we had, the essay at the end of chapter 6, this was about portions of things that are edible that you can eat. And the cricket, you can actually eat 80% of it. Well, beef, cow, you can only eat 40%. So that was my question. Would you eat a cricket? And many of you did read this, and some of you did not, and wondered why I asked that question. The next chapter we're going to do is chapter 7. I hope you got a chance to look at the graphs. We had graphs on 152 and 153. These were the temperatures, the increases. And in a picture, it's much easier sometimes to see, how rapidly temperatures have gone up. If you just write it in degrees in prose, then it's harder to see. But when you have a picture and you can see graphs like this, it's like, aha, okay, get it now. But make sure, in the last chapter we talked about graphs. So you want to make sure that you're looking at the measurements so they're true and really giving you a realistic picture of things. Then we talked about some words that show if you're really sure of something or if you're not so sure about things. So they're going to give a modal may, might, could. And I said modal verb, so modal verbs are verbs that can change the meaning of a main verb. So may, might, could is saying maybe, possibly. Then they'll also give another verb when they're almost sure of something. So this modal verb must is probably. So this one, you may be less than 50% sure about something you're writing or talking about, and this one you're about 90 or 95%. So we could translate this as probably. And then you have a movie, and this is The Snow Hermit. This is not online if you're not on my ELT, so I'm sure you can Google it. Actually, I called him a hermit, but I'll tell you why. Snow guardian. He likes to be alone, and he lives way up where there's a lot of snow in Colorado. He'll tell you all about that. And when you Google the movie or watch it on my ELT, you'll see. So we'll be looking at the movie there and how he's looking at the snow, how much snowpack every year. Is it less? Is it more? And he likes to measure things. So you'll get to read that and do the exercises for the snow guardian. And then that's about halfway through chapter 7. And after Wednesday, I'll make another video and we'll be continuing with chapter 7. Send me your questions if you have them, and I'll answer them in the Wednesday video. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.